Hey y'all, and thank you for coming back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about how to properly wash and detangle your hair after you've taken out a protective style. It's critical, people. I've had a few mishaps taking out a protective style and just not following the correct steps when I get ready to detangle it, and man, it was like a hairball, and I had to cut it out and it gets matted. And you know, it's really not a hard thing to do as far as like taking your protective style out and getting your hair nice and clean and detangled and prepared for your next style. But if you take the wrong steps, man, it's a fail. So I'm gonna wash my hair as normal. I don't know what I'm gonna use. I'll be sure to put it in the comment box. But one thing that I will be using to detangle is this live-free Nutritive leave-in conditioner. It smells so good. The correct name is live-free Nutritive Herbal Conditioning Cream. It has a lot of essential oils, nutrients, organic botanicals to moisturize your hair, to detangle it. I really like it. I've been using it quite a bit actually, just in between my protective styling. Another product I'm going to feature from that line, the Live Free line, is the moisturizing hair soufflé. I'm going to use that for my lock method. So if you're interested in seeing how to efficiently wash and detangle your hair after having a protective style in, then keep watching. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when you get ready to wash your hair after a protective style is finger detangle your dried hair. Not a lot, you don't want to like break it off, but remember, you haven't been combing your hair, so you've had like lots of shedding. Like I have all this hair and this stray hair that's been sitting on my shoulder throughout the video. So what you want to do is just work, you know, section by section. You know, get you some hair clips and just kind of work your fingers through your hair, removing like loose hair, just gently. And you see, I'm having a little bit of shedding, but that's fine. I'm cool with that. This is hair that is shed. You know, I haven't combed my hair. I had crochets in for about a month. So you're just gonna detangle that out section by section. After you have gently detangled and just kind of removed all of the stray hair that is shed while your hair was protective styled, then you're going to go ahead and wash your hair, and we're going to detangle it with conditioner. Do not add shampoo to this partially detangled hair. Don't do it. It's gonna mat up and you will never get it out. Like, trust me, I know. Because even though we have worked some of that shed hair out, you're still gonna have some, because I don't want to just be too rough with my hair and just run my fingers through it. So I'm gonna go wet my hair, and then I'm gonna show you how I detangle my hair after a protective style. I'll be right back. Okay, so now at this point I have just wet my hair, no soap or anything. Alright, so as I was like working the warm water through my scalp, I just kind of still was detangling some. So now I'm going to add the Nutritive Herbal Conditioning Cream. I'm going to put a generous amount. This stuff is thick, y'all, so I just kind of take my finger and get it out. It's really thick. It's good stuff. So I'm just going to try to like work that through. Work that through my hair from root to tip. Mix this conditioner with water and use it as a leave-in. But this is the actual conditioner, so that's even better. So once you have saturated your hair with the conditioner, like I'm doing now, then you're gonna take your hair. And y'all, when I'm putting this stuff in my hair, like I can already feel it like softening up. It's awesome. I'm still getting some of that shedding coming from having a protective style. So now I'm just gonna section my hair, and I'm going to finger detangle section by section using the conditioner. And if I need to add more, I will. You know, because you want to be gentle. So I'm not trying to rip my hair out. A little more conditioner on my hands. And I'm going to take this section and I'm just finger detangling. So I smooth that product through, and then I'm just gently breaking it apart. Gently. Because I want all of that shedded hair. I want the majority of it out before I put shampoo in it. So you're going to do that to your entire head, to your entire hair, section by section. It looks like hair that has just been in a protective style. This conditioner, better get you some. And this is not a paid advertisement. I bought this conditioner. So yeah. So I've got it to a good point with the finger detangle. And now I'm going to take my shower comb. I think I got this from Sally's years ago. And I'm just going to comb through it. And you can see it's very detangled. I'm getting a lot of slip. I'm not having any difficulty. So once you've done that, I like to come back with a Denman brush and just finish it off. Alright, so then I'm going to take this piece because it's detangled. I'm going to twist it. It ain't nothing special. It's not a special twist. You're just twisting it to get it out of your way. And then I'm going to take a butterfly clip and further get it out of my way. And I'm going to move on to the next section, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. Itching. So now that I've detangled it section by section, I am about to go wash my hair, and I'll leave the shampoo that I use in the description box. I'm gonna try my best to keep the twist intact because it is detangled hair, but it's not a big deal if they come apart. I'm not that concerned because I really took my time and detangled it. So now it's okay to add shampoo. So I'll be right back. I washed my hair using the Jamaican black castor oil line from Shea Moisture. I'll leave the exact name in the comment box. And then what I did was just apply the leave-in conditioner. I used the same conditioner that I detangled with, but I just mixed it with a little bit of water. Topped it with some Jamaican black castor oil, because y'all, I'm trying to get these edges together after that baby. And for my cream, I used the moisture soufflé just to seal everything in. Not much to the styling. I just took some gel, pulled it back, hit it with some bobby pins, and I'm about to go on my way. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about the way I detangle my hair and wash my hair after a protective style, or just natural hair washing questions in general, please leave them in the comments below, or you can shoot me a message on IG at Be My Curlfriend. As always, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see y'all later.